Okay, halo guys. I broke it. Okay, and how's life? I hope you very fine right now. Okay, then I will review the food that I was buy. This is Ayam Geprek. This is my friends have this UMKM. I'm sorry. Okay, then the price it took 12k. Yeah, it has cucumbers too, and chicken. The chicken is very many. Wow, and flavorful of chili and the rice. Okay, let's bring it down. Okay, the chicken first. The chicken. Wow. The chicken, I like the chicken. It's chicken and chili sambal. It's not spicy. The cucumber, it's fresh, and the rice, it's just rice. Okay, then with 12k you have all this cucumber, the big chicken, many chili with kemangi, and the rice is very many. It's okay. So I like the chicken's bone. Let's see. The bone, if it is it legit or not? The bone. Okay. The bone, good. Bone is tulang. Yeah. Okay, so let's mix it. The chicken and with the sambal and the rice. Let's bring it down. So tasty. The cucumber for very fresh. Okay. First, let me enjoy the meal. Meal. Yeah. My food. And this is many, yeah. Mm. And just for information, this is my what my friend's uncle stand that have this is UMKM. So so I like it. I have friend that selling Ayam Geprek like this. The chili is not too spicy. It's friendly for women. It's friendly for that can eat sambal too much. Yeah. It not make your stomach hot, yeah. It's not, because it's not spicy. It have like hot in your mouth, like a little hot, just a little. I like it. And I'm amazed of the chicken. It's very many, you know, like wow, like it's a big slice. And you know, I just eat like a breakfast, like about 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, and this is at night, yeah. Let me show you. Sorry. Like nah. It's if there's pepper, I am feeling so happy, you know? Like the bondan side, manis. The big oh, what? Big piece of chicken. This chili is many more. I want to hop it like one hop. You know what I mean? Like I one hop the chili. All of the chili. Like, see? Full chili. It's not spicy. This food is friendly for kids. I'm full right now. But I like chicken bone. I don't know why, but this is abnormal, like the chicken bone. Because I haven't seen anyone like me that eat the bone. I don't know. Okay, so all done. Yay! Sorry. Yay! Last piece. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you enjoy it. And see you next time if you order. Okay, see ya.